How to add closed captions to your YouTube video. So from your YouTube homepage, go to your icon at the top right, click on Creator Studio, then choose the video you want to add the closed captioning to.
Use screen cap.
Click on this icon, Subtitles and CC. Now, there are really two options that I prefer. One is to upload a transcript and one is to type and let it auto-sync with your video. Click on Add New Subtitles or CC. Choose your language. We'll do transcribe and auto-sync first. And so what this is going to do is you play the video and then you start typing what you hear, and it will pause while you type, so you can you won't have to play catch up with the video later. So let me show you how that works.
How to use screen Castify. First of all, you'll want to make sure that you're signed into your Google Chrome.
Okay, so after you've typed the whole transcript, you'll say set timings over here at the bottom. And then it will take a little bit for it to sync with the video, the timing of the video. After it has set up the timings, then a blue button will pop up that says publish, and you'll want to make sure and publish it because that is the only way that it will show up on your video. Okay, so the second way you can add your closed captions is to upload a file. And so with that, you can type up your transcript on a Google Doc or on a Word doc and then just save it as a plain text file. And that's what I've done. And so you'll choose your file and then you'll upload it. Okay, and then again, you'll want to click on Set Timings. Now, it's going to take a little bit to do that. So again, when it's done, you'll need to make sure to hit Publish. Once you've done that, you are set, and it should be on your video. One other thing to know is when you come to your video to add your closed captions, if it already has a bar right here and it's lit up green, that means it's already published automatic closed captions, which most of the time are very wrong. So what you'll want to do is unpublish those by clicking on it and going into it, and then actions right here, and there will be an option to unpublish on those. This one's a little different because it's not the automatic closed caption option. So you'll want to make sure you do that. So anything that's not lit up green has not been published, and anything that is green is published. So even if you add your transcript won't be published until you tell it to be published, if that makes sense. So that is something to think about. You can always go into the automatic closed captions and correct them, but a lot of times that's very time consuming, and it's almost just as easy to just do the transcript or auto sync. Okay, I hope that helps.